Hello students, we are going to discuss about variety of moral issues. What is morality? According to Oxford Dictionary, morality means principle concerning right and wrong or good and bad behavior. Moral reasons are required to support an act to be called as morally right act. If an action is said to be morally right, it should have some moral reason. Some of the important moral reasons include respecting others and ourselves, respecting the right of others, keeping promises to others, avoiding unnecessary offense and pain to others, avoiding cheating and dishonesty, showing gratitude to others and encouraging teamwork. Varieties of moral issues. There are so many engineering disasters which are greater or heavier than the level of acceptable or tolerable risk. Finding and avoiding such cases such as nuclear power plant at Chernobyl, chemical plant accident at Bhopal in India, where a big disaster of gas leakage occurred in 1980 is necessary. In the same way, oil spill from some oil extraction plant, hazardous waste, pollution, a natural disaster like flood, earthquake, and danger from using asbestos and plastics are some more cases of engineering disaster. These fields should be given awareness of engineering ethics. It is essential for engineers to get awareness and the above said disasters. They should also know the importance of system of engineering. When malfunctioning of the system is rapid one, the disaster will be in greater extent and can be noticed immediately. This is our duty as an engineer. When they are slow and unobserved, the impact is delayed. Engineers should not ignore the function of this system. This is our part of work. Sometimes this is our work. These cases also explain and make the engineers to be familiar with the outline of the case in future and also about their related ethical issues. Approaches to engineering ethics is classified into two types. One is microethics, another one macroethics. These are the two different approaches to engineering ethics. One by one we will discuss. First one, microethics. This approach addresses typical everyday problem that the engineers face in their professional life. Microethics describe ethical issues that may affect an engineer's professional and personal life. Be clear. Second one, macroethics. This approach deals with all societal problems or social problems that engineer encounter during their career. Macroethics discuss ethical issues concerning all social problems that engineer might encounter. Be clear. Okay. Where and how do moral problems arise in engineering? Various moral issues that the engineers may encounter. First one, organization or organization oriented issues. Being an employee to an industry, the engineer has to work towards the achievement of the objectives or aim of his or her organization. Engineers have to give higher priority to the benefit of the organization than one's own benefit. Engineers should be able to work collectively with colleagues and other members in order to achieve organization or industry goal. Be clear. Okay. Second one, client of customers or client of customers oriented issues. Purpose of any business is to reach and satisfy the end of user or end user. Customer requirement should be met. Engineers have a major role to play in identifying the customer voice and incorporating the voice of the customer into the product design and manufacture. Apart from engineering technological issues or technical issues, engineers also should face other moral and ethical issues with their client or customer. Be clear. Okay. So third one, competitor oriented issues. Okay. In order to withstand in a market, engineers should produce things better than competitor by all means. Engineers should not practice cutthroat competition. They should follow certain professional behavior while facing their competitor. Don't be act as a cheat. We are professional. We should follow certain professional behavior while facing our competitor. Be clear. Engineers should hold paramount the safety, health and welfare of the customer in the performance of their professional duties. Be clear. Okay. Fourth one, law, government and public agencies oriented issues. Engineers should obey and voluntarily comply with all the governmental rules and regulation related to this. They should also respect and honestly practice all other similar laws, policies and regulations. As a student, you should follow the rules and regulations of the institution. As an employee, as a teacher, we should follow the rules and regulations of the institution. This is very, very important one. That is fourth one. Next, professional society. Engineers should follow strictly the various codes of ethics by various professional societies such as National Society for Professional Engineers NSPE, then Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers IEEE, American Society of Mechanical Engineers ASME, in order to perform standard professional behavior. Be clear, okay? So that is professional society. Professional code of ethics reflect basic norms of conduct that exist within a particular professional and provide general guidance relating to a variety of issues. Be clear or not? Okay. So this is the professional society. So here this is the NSPE. This is also one of the professional society. Then you belongs to EEE, that is IEEE. Very clear. Okay. So this is also one of the professional society for engineers. Okay, IEEE. Then you are belongs to chemical engineering. So this is the IICHE. This is also one of the professional society, IICHE. Okay, so these are the professional society, IICHE. Then this is another one. What belongs to mechanical engineering, ASME. Okay, so this is also the one of the professional society. So here once again repeat that NSPE, National Society of Professional Engineers, IEEE, Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers. I hope some other students belongs to EEE or ECE or medical electronics or biomedical or any discipline. So you should follow this professional society. Then students belongs to mechanical engineering, you should follow the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. So the Indian Institute of Chemical Engineers, that is the IICHE. Are you clear or not? Okay. So these are the various professional societies are there. Okay. So the engineer should follow strictly the various code of ethics by various professional societies. Be clear. Okay. Yes. So next one, sixth one, social environmental issues or social and environmental oriented issues. Works of engineers have a direct and vital impact on the quality of life for all people. Engineers should be dedicated to the protection of the public health, safety and welfare. So already I said, so we have more responsibility than others. As the engineer, always we are producing so eco-friendly product does not affect the environment. Okay, engineers need to be aware their role as agent of experimenter. They should have a united commitment in protecting the environment. Okay, this is very important point. They should not involve any unethical environmental issues. What are the unethical environmental issues? Misusing scarce resources and fouling environment. Okay. So last one. So this is also one of the area arise the moral issues. So here this is the family oriented issues. As a human being and the member of a family, the engineers do have the family obligation to take care of the need of their family members. But they should not take any decision for their own benefit at the cost of public, client or employee. Be clear. Okay. So these are the discussion or explanation how the ethical problem often arise in the engineering profession. Okay. Thank you for your attention.